Are you someone who is looking to invest your money in the stock market for the long term and confused which stock to pick? Well, generally when you invest in stock market, you need to do a thorough research because stock market is risky. Stocks which can give you 100% return in no time can also fall 50%. So the biggest question is where to invest your money, how to pick the right stock, and what if the stock price fall? Well, in this video, I am going to tell you 8 stocks where you can invest your money blindly. You don't even need to think about what is the price you are buying. In fact, you can buy those stocks every month. Hello everyone, my name is Sahil and this is my Personal Finance Academy where I explain everything about money management in layman's language. In this video, we are going to talk about 8 stocks where you can invest your money. So let's get started. The 8th stock in the list is Titan. Founded in 1984, Titan is an Indian luxury good company that manufactures accessories such as jewelry, watches, and eyewears. Titan is a part of most prestigious Tata Group. Some of the common brands of Titan include Titan, Sonata, and Fastrack in watch category, Tanishq in jewelry category, Titan Eye Plus in eyewear category, and Skin in perfume category. Over the past 10 years, Titan's revenue has grown from the level of 6,500 in March 2011 to 21,000 by March 2020. The profits have grown from the level of 600 crore in March 2011 to the level of 2,100 crore by March 2020. If we talk about the share price of Titan, its share price has grown from the level of 180 rupee in December 2010 to current level of 1400 by December 2020. That's almost 7 times return in 10 years. If we talk about the future, the biggest theme in India for the next 20 to 30 years is going to be consumption. The consumer spending in India is going to grow from the current level of $1.5 trillion to the levels of $6 trillion by 2030, making India the third biggest consumer market after US and China. Due to rising income level and increase in consumer spending, the demand for luxury goods in India is going to grow in the future. And Titan, being the leader in this category, is bound to grow. Number 7 stock in this list is TCS. When we talk about information technology, India is the world leader with more than 50% market share of almost $200 billion IT industry. Founded in 1968, TCS is the biggest IT company in India with a market cap of almost 10 lakh crore rupees. Over the past 10 years, the revenues of TCS has grown from the level of 37,000 crore in March 2011 to level of 1.56 lakh crore rupees by March 2020. The profits have increased from level of 9,000 crore in March 2011 to level of 32,000 crore by March 2020. If we talk about the share price of TCS, it has grown from the level of 550 rupees in December 2010 to current level of 2,700 rupees in December 2020. That's almost 5 times return in 10 years. Talking about the future is digital. And TCS is going to play a crucial role in building the digital infrastructure all over the world. So the future of TCS is certainly bright. Number 6 stock in this list is HDFC Life. Life insurance sector in India is largely underpenetrated. But now people have started to realize the importance of term plan and medical plan to provide financial security to the family. HDFC Life is one of the biggest and fastest growing private player in the life insurance space. Over the past 8 years, the revenues of HDFC Life have grown from the level of 14,000 crore in March 2013 to current level of 29,700 crore by March 2020. The profits have increased from the level of 447 crore in March 2013 to level of 1,297 crore by March 2020. Company has recently launched its IPO in November 2017. Since then, the share price has almost doubled from the level of 340 rupees to current level of 650 rupees. Demographic factors such as growing middle class, young insurable population, and increasing awareness for financial protection as well as retirement planning is going to increase the demand for life insurance company, and HDFC Life is going to grow at a very good rate. Number 5 stock in this list is Asian Paints. Making a home is always a dream of middle class people in India, and everyone wants to make their home look beautiful. Asian Paint is one company that is fulfilling this dream in the most colorful way for the past 75 years. With a tagline of "हर घर कुछ कहता है," Asian Paint has been an undisputed leader in the Indian paint industry. Over the past 10 years, the revenues of Asian Paints have grown from the level of 7,400 crore in March 2011 to level of 20,000 crore by March 2020. The profits have increased from the level of 843 crore in March 2011 to current level of 2,700 crore by March 2020. The share price of Asian Paint has jumped from the level of 270 rupees in December 2010 to current level of 2,400 rupee by December 2020. That's almost 9 times return in 10 years. If we talk about the future, the key trend in this sector is personalization. Be it home, offices or institution, everyone wants to make their place look beautiful as well as unique. Asian Paint is well positioned to cater to this growing demand with its innovative and wide range of product offering as a complete home decor solution company. Number 4 stock in this list is Pidilite. Started in 1959 with Fevicol, Pidilite is the number 1 adhesive manufacturing company in India. Pidilite brands like Fevicol, Fevikwik and Fevistick are so popular that people don't say that give me a adhesive or a glue stick. They say that give me Fevicol or give me Fevikwik or Fevistick. This kind of branding is only possible when your products are top class and you are the market leader with strong dominance. Over the past 10 years, Pidilite revenues have grown from the level of 2,697 crore in March 2011 to level of 7,294 crore by March 2020. The profits have increased from the level of 310 crore in March 2011 to level of 1,116 crore by March 2020. The share price of Pidilite have jumped from the level of 150 rupees in December 2010 to current level of 1600 rupees by December 2020. That's more than 10 times return in 10 years. Looking at the future growth prospect, the key trend here is urbanization. With many people moving from small towns to cities, there is a huge growth in construction segment. This growth in construction segment is eventually going to drive the growth in adhesive and sealant for use in furniture and waterproofing solutions. Pidilite, being the number 1 company in this category with no major competitor, is going to grow at a very good rate. Number 3 stock in this list is Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever is the biggest FMCG company in India with a market cap of almost 5 lakh crore rupees. In fact, the company claims that more than 9 out of 10 households in India uses one or more products of HUL. So there are high chances that even you are using one or more product of HUL. Some of the common brands of HUL include Surf Excel, Rin, Wheel, Sunlight, Vim, Pureit, Lux, Lifebuoy, Dove, Fair & Lovely, Pond's, Vaseline, Clinic Plus, Sunsilk, Indulekha, Lakme, Pepsodent, Close-Up, X, Brook Bond, Lipton, Brew, Quality Walls, Knorr, Kisan, Horlicks and Boost. Over the past 10 years, the revenues of HUL have grown from the level of 20,000 crore in March 2011 to level of 39,700 crore by March 2020. The profits have grown from the level of 2,296 crore in March 2011 to level of 6,748 crore by March 2020. The share price of HUL has jumped from the level of 300 rupees in December 2010 to current level of 2,200 by December 2020. That's more than 7 times return in just 10 years. If we talk about the future, many people in India are still using unbranded and low quality products. Hence, there's a huge scope for HUL to increase its presence in the rural area of the country. In fact, even in the urban cities, with the rising income level and requirement of better products, the demand for HUL products are going to increase. With the strong distribution network, HUL is well positioned to meet this demand. Number 2 stock in this list is HDFC Bank. Banking system is the backbone of any economy. Think this way, when you need to buy a car or home, you need to take a loan. When businesses need to grow, they need to take capital from bank. So basically, everyone is dependent upon bank for finances. Established in 1994, HDFC is the largest private sector bank in India with a market cap of around 7.5 lakh crore rupees. Over the past 10 years, the loan book of HDFC Bank has grown from 70,900 crore in March 2011 to a level of 9,93,000 crore by March 2020. The profits have increased from level of 3,900 crore in March 2011 to level of 27,250 crore by March 2020. The share price has jumped from level of 220 rupees in December 2010 to level of 1300 rupee by December 2020. That's almost 6 times return in 10 years. If we talk about the future, banking system has got a very bright future. Earlier it used to take few days to transfer money from one account to another, but now it just takes few seconds with UPI payment. For India to become the third largest economy after US and China, the banking system would play a crucial role, and HDFC Bank is well positioned to grab the opportunity. And finally, the number one stock in this list is Reliance Industries. One sector that has seen tremendous growth over the past few years is telecom. Just like banking is the backbone of Indian economy, telecom is the backbone of digital revolution. With the availability of low-cost data, the internet penetration has increased multiple times. Today, even the rural part of India has got access to internet. This has completely changed the digital landscape of India. And one company that has been a pioneer in this revolution is Reliance Jio. Although Reliance Jio is a part of Reliance Industries, which has got a major revenue from the refinery and petrochemical business, but Reliance Industries owner Mr. Mukesh Ambani is well aware of the fact that in this 21st century, data is the new oil. Started in September 2016, Reliance Jio is the biggest telecom company in India with a subscriber base of 40 crore. All that in 4 years. That's just mind-blowing. Over the past 10 years, the share price of Reliance has jumped from the level of 500 rupee in December 2010 to current level of 2000 rupee by December 2020. That's almost 4 times return. And the majority of the return has come from last 4 years after the launch of Reliance Jio. If we talk about the future, the digital revolution in India has just started and there's a long way to go. Reliance Jio is going to play a key role in this transformation. Hence, I think Reliance Industries is one stock that you should have in your portfolio. So in this video, we discussed about 8 stocks where you can invest your money blindly. Which stock do you hold in your portfolio? And did I miss any stock? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment box.